Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Logitech Jaybird Vista Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earbuds not connecting to your device or not pairing with Bluetooth, or if you're only getting sound out of the left or the right ear, or any issues like this and you've tried a soft reset and it didn't fix the issue, a hard reset to the factory default settings can fix a lot of these issues. The other reason is if you just want to set these earbuds up as a new set of earbuds for whatever reason and just get all the pairing history wiped off of them, we can go ahead and do that quite easily. The first thing to do is just to go on your device or whatever you've had these paired with in the past and just have them delete this device from that phone or whatever. And then we're going to place the earbuds in the case like so, and then close the lid. And once we do that, we can wait a couple seconds, then open the charging case and press and hold the case button until the LED starts blinking white. Once that is blinking white, then we want to again come and press the case button twice quickly. Just tap it twice quickly, and if this works, the LED will then blink pink, in which case you can now close the case. Wait a few more seconds, and then when you open the case again, your earbuds will be reset and they'll be ready to be paired as a new set of earbuds.